How to redeem your Fortnite gift card. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open your PC and open any type of browser to go to Fortnite.com. After you do so, go ahead and sign into your account. Then you can just go ahead and hover around more and tap on the Battle Pass or V-Bucks. As soon as you tap in, you can see the Get Started option. Go ahead and tap on Get Started. Now, what you need to do is just go ahead and turn over your gift card and scratch off the security covering. So you can buy the Fortnite V-Bucks gift card like this. Just go ahead and turn it around and scratch off the security covering. Now, go ahead and write down your code. This is a PIN code which is secure. Go ahead and write down the PIN code over here and tap on Next. As soon as you do this, if the code or PIN is correct, you can easily redeem your Fortnite gift card. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.